Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. It's World Watch lecture of class 5 and we discussed our chapter number 2, that was Balochistan. In our previous lectures we discussed about the location of Balochistan and the people of Balochistan and which mines are in Balochistan and coal mining in Pakistan, coal mining in China. These all things we have discussed in our unit number 2, and today our topic, unit number 3, is settlements. What is a settlement? A settlement is a place where people live their lives. A settlement can be as small as one house in the middle of its town, farm, or as large as big city with millions of people living there. Any type of small area, any type of house and farm that is in big city, in village, in anywhere, that is called our settlement, where millions of people live. What types of settlements are there? We will discuss our types of settlement. In Pakistan, we have four types of settlement. Four types of settlement: in cities, in town, village, farm. In cities, how many people live in cities? At least more than 1 lakh people live in cities. And in town, more than 5,000 people live in town. And in village, fewer than 5,000 people. And on farm, one or more families just live on a farm. These are the four types of settlement. And Pakistan has more than 500 towns and cities. How many towns and cities Pakistan has? More than 500. Pakistan has more than 50,000 villages. Pakistan has more villages than cities or towns because mostly people live in villages. In villages there is no any pollution problem, and the environment is very clean. And in villages agriculture settlement is also there, and mostly people do work in fields and grow crops for us. So in Pakistan more than 50,000 villages are, and mostly people live in villages. And question is here, which type of settlement do you live in? You will write about your settlement where you live. You will write it according to you. Okay students, our next topic is, why does a place become settled? People choose to settle in a place for different reasons, and here are some of them. Firstly, people choose that place where fresh water. In the past, being near fresh water was one of the main reasons for settling in a place. Water is necessary for humans and animals to live. So, humans and animals cannot live without water. So, fresh water must be there where people live and where people settle. It is used for cooking, cleaning, and growing crops. And today, water is still important, but it can be piped to places that do not have their own supply. People can take water from other places where water is not supplied, then it can be reached to other places through pipes, which places haven't water supply. And second settlement is good soil. Farming settlements develop in areas of good soil. People set up farms to grow food for themselves as well as to sell food to make money. People mostly want to live on that place where farming settlements are also developed. Which area, in in which areas they live, then there must be good soil for growing food for themselves, as well as to sell food. They sell food to other people, to other cities or countries, and they make money. Protection from enemies, mostly people want to live there where they are in protection from other people, from enemies. In the past, settlements were often built as forts on high ground so the people could defend themselves from their enemies. But now that is not problem. People settle on that place where they are defend from their enemies. They don't live on high ground, and they want to live that place where they can defend themselves from their enemies. And our fourth topic is forests. In some rural areas today, people live near forests so they can use the trees to build houses and animal shelters, so that is not a problem for them. So people can use any type of wood to build houses and animal shelters, and wood is also used as fuel for cooking and heating. So these all things become settled on a place. Today we have discussed that what is settlement. Settlement is a place where people live, and there are four types of settlements: city, town, village, farm. And in cities more than 1 lakh people live, in town more than 5,000 people, in villages fewer than 5,000 people, farm one or more families. In which type of settlement do you live in? You can write it, you can tell me in your views. And Pakistan has more than 500 towns and cities. Pakistan has more than 50,000 villages. And why does a place become settled? If fresh water will be there, if good soil is there, and that is protect from enemies. And how many forests are there? Mostly in rural areas, people live near forests so they can use the trees to build houses and animal shelters. And wood is also used as fuel for cooking and heating. Today we have discussed 4 points of why does a place become settled. And in our next lecture we will read other settled places. Okay, students, you will learn it very good, and I hope you have understood that lecture. Allah Hafiz.